Who told you that you had nothing good to say? When every one of your words still rents a room in my brain. Hung on the walls of my mind are some of the things you said on our first date. Not sure why things had to change, but wanna say thanks, 'cause I'll never be the same. And if I never get the chance to say this to your face, to hear your voice is to see a void take shape. I know because I'm living in it, the kindness in your tone I've wanted for my own. To hear your words is to see a world take form. I know because I'm walking in it, it's to hear your voice, to hear your voice. To care for someone with nothing in return. I've tried that before, but always fought return. Then you come along with the fire and heartache in your eyes for the lowly and contrite. And then you spoke your mind, and that was when I knew that I would never be the same, just from what you had to say. To hear your voice is to see a void take shape. I know because I'm living in it, the kindness in your tone I've wanted for my own. To hear your words is to see a world take form. I know because I'm walking in it, it's to hear your voice, to hear your voice. To hear your voice. To hear your words is to watch a world take form. I know because I'm walking in it. To hear your voice,